Hi, this is your lucky sir. Welcome back to this NEET Grand Test series. We are in Grand Test 3, Part 2. All 50 questions at a test stretch we can't discuss now, so we are making it in two parts. See, observe the following statements. Lanthanides actively participate in chemical reactions. True statement. The basic nature of hydroxides of lanthanides increases from lanthanum to lutetium hydroxides. No, increases is a wrong statement. It decreases actually. Most stable oxidation number of bilanthanides is +3. This is the right statement. So the correct statements are 1 and 3. The first ionization energy of magnesium is smaller when compared to that of elements X and Y, but higher than that of Z. Then elements X, Y, Z are respectively. See, magnesium first ionization energy compared to that of elements X and Y smaller. So X and Y must be argon and chlorine of the given options because these two are non-metals and more than sodium. So sodium is alkali metal. Alkali metals are much better. So these two are non-metals and alkali metal is a metal. So better than this. Magnesium will be having ionization potential as magnesium is with 3s2 configuration fulfilled. Given below two statements, organic solvents such as benzene, toluene, carbon tetrachloride are highly toxic. Ethanol is now commercially prepared by one-step oxidation of ethene in the presence of ionic catalysts as an aqueous medium. So what are the statements? Only statements are given. Na? See, both these statements are right. Benzene, toluene, carbon tetrachloride are highly toxic as well as ethanol can be prepared from ethene. Both statements are right, so this is a correct explanation point. So coming to these, nitrogen can be estimated by Geldols method. Geldols method is applicable for only primary amines, not for the nitrogen when it is present in benzene diazonium salt or in the ring, or you can see NO2. These three are absent. Okay, memory based and what is exception type of thing you need to remember. C12H22O11 enzyme 1. This is memory based again. This is from surface chemistry as it is question you can say. First invertase, then zymase. Invertase and zymase are the enzymes to convert C12H22O11 into glucose and fructose. This is from sucrose to glucose and fructose. Then glucose is converted to alcohol. Invertase and zymase. The set represents the pair of neutral oxides of nitrogen. Nitrogen we have NO and N2 as neutral, N2O3, NO2 and N2O5. These are acidic. If you want the clear information about all oxides, you can visit our videos. Their nitrogen video is clear video is there. Nitrogen oxides video, sorry. See here. You can see by these. Okay, now already I made the video, but some technical issue was there. So CONH3 taken 6 and CRCN6. This shows ligand. Okay, now in this you can say coordination isomerism. The ligands are interchanging, so that is called coordination isomerism. When NO2 group is there, you can expect their linkage isomerism. NO2 ONO linkage isomerism. When water molecules in and out different, that's called solvate isomerism. And clearly it shows optical isomerism. So A is given this. Rest is very clear. Which of the following is most reactive? Chlorine one option is there. I see it. Interhalogen compounds are more reactive. When compared with normal halogens, interhalogens are more reactive. NCERT statement. Weak acid pKa and pKb are given. The formula is pH is equal to 7 plus of pKa minus of pKb. 7 plus of pKa. pKa is given here, pKb is given here. Slightly it is more, so it is 6.9. If BaCl2 ionizes to an extent of 80% in aqueous solution, the value of Van 't factor is. Here I made the solution also. Alpha is equal to I minus 1 by N minus 1, where barium chloride gives you Ba plus 2 and 2 Cl minus ions. So number of ions will be 3. So that is 3 here. 3 minus 1. 80% means 0.8. On solving, you will get 2.6. You can check this simple question. Consider ammonia, pH3, ASS3, SBS3. Find which statements are correct for ammonia. Ammonia is most basic, right? Ammonia, highest bond angle, that is also right because bond angle decreases. pH3, ASS3, SBS3 will be having approximately 90 degrees, around 90 degrees. And so highest boiling point is also right. It is not a reducing agent because nitrogen has very strongly bonded hydrogen atom. So this must be wrong. So ABD options. Coming to, in which reaction change in oxidation number of underlined atom is maximum when all the atoms react with chlorine water. Chlorine water converts Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3. Change in oxidation state is from plus 2 to plus 3. One change. Na2SO3 changes to Na2SO4. Change in oxidation state is from plus 4 to plus 6, plus 2. SO2 changes to SO3, maximum to maximum. Change in oxidation state is from plus 4 to plus 6. Change is plus 2. I2 changes to HiO3. When this change is taking place, 0 to plus 5. Maximum change can be noticed here. During electroosmosis of Fe2O3 XH2O, Fe2O3 XH2O, it is a negatively charged one. So the dispersion medium moves towards anode. So this is NCERT, memory based. Surface chemistry lesson. Natural rubber is polymer of cis polyisoprene. Direct question. Polymers, completely memory based. The glycosidic linkage of sucrose, okay na, same again, C1 of alpha D glucose and C2 of beta D fructose. This is a regular question, very regular. Biomolecules, NCRT, class 12. Direct question, nothing is there to discuss. Predict the product C in the following series of reactions. What is the series of reaction? Yeah, first PCl5, you are getting the acid chloride, then benzene, Friedel-Crafts acylation. In this Friedel-Crafts acylation, you are getting the acetophenone. Then this is treated with the CS3MgBr. So ketones with the Grignard reagent, they will give you tertiary alcohols. And this is the tertiary alcohol. When O2 sunlight is treated with cumene, it forms cumene peroxide. The cumene peroxide will be OOH, this part. And again heating, you will be getting there B and C. One is ketone, second is phenol. So B is an aromatic compound. Choose the incorrect statement. B is soluble in aqueous NaOH. Okay. B gives positive bromine water test, right? C gives iodoform test and tolerance test, right? That is about acetone. pK of B is lower than ethanol. pKa lower means stronger acid. That is also right. So this is wrong statement. The energy of an electron in the first Bohr orbital of hydrogen is minus 13.6. The possible energy value of the first excited state of, so direct first excited statement n is equal to 2, minus 3.4. If second excited state is there, n is equal to 3, that will come minus 1.5. Which of the following gives N2 gas? NH4NO2 gives N2 plus 2H2O, direct option. And this gives you N2O plus 2H2O. Softening of hot water is done by using sodium aluminum silicate. This is completely memory based. Adds option of calcium and magnesium ions of hot water replacing sodium ions. Hydrogen and its compounds, class 11. Which of the following is pentagonal bipyramidal? IF7 is sp3d3, pentagonal bipyramidal, chemical bonding. ClF3 is of T shape. IF3 is also same T shape. ICl3 is also same T shape. Among the given statements, hypophosphoric acid has 2 PO bonds. Okay, hypophosphoric acid, pyrophosphorus acid has two POH bonds. Okay, and then orthophosphoric acid, these are the statements given. I don't want to make it messy, you see. Thiosulfurous acid has one SOS bond. Thiosulfurous as one SOS bond is not correct. Actually, sulfurous acid is, I am taking only sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid is H2SO3. Thiosulfurous acid is H2S2O2, where S double bond S is there. This is the structure for this. H2S2O3. That is sulfurous. H2S2O2 is this one. H2S2O2. H2SO4 will be like this, na? S double bond O, OH and OH. Thiosulfuric acid means H2S2O3. Just replace one. This is thiosulfuric acid. In the same way, H2SO3 means one lone pair, one double bond, one OH, another OH. This must be replaced by sulfur. That's all. Where we are now? 198. XeF2 plus MH2O contain Xe other when sp3d2. Electron pair structure is tetrahedral. Okay. Electron pair XeFn MH2O. That means XeF6 plus 3H2O. XeO3 plus 6HF. And he is asking about A. A is tetrahedral. Electron pair structure of A is tetrahedral is right. Actually, XeO3 molecular structure is pyramidal. Okay. So when when n is equal to 1, m is equal to 1, the hybridization of the xenon is, now the compound will become like this, you see, XeF6 plus 1H2O, right, 1H2O. So it forms 2HF plus XeOF4. XeOF4 means this will be 8 plus 4, 12, sp3d2. This is wrong statement. Question is, regarding above reaction, which of the following option is correct, is saying. When n is equal to 6, m is equal to 2, n is equal to 6, m is equal to 2, sp3d2. That is right only. Okay, I think something wrong, it went wrong. Okay, here you see, when n is equal to 6, m is equal to 1, the hybridization of xenon A is sp3d is mentioned. This is, you see, XeF6 and 1 water, XeOF4. XeOF4 will be like this, Xe double bond O, FF. 1 lone pair. This is sp3d2. So it should be incorrect statement. Okay. 189. VO2 behaves like metal. Okay, now VO2 shows metallic properties depending on temperature. Re2O3 is metallic copper conductivity. CrO2 behaves like metal. GaAs used in semiconductor, direct to memory based uses, you can say. The following reaction sequence, when KCN is there, chloridine replaced by cyanide. When this is treated with Y, then you will be getting their cyanide treated with C6H5. C6H5 is converted into this one. Okay. So your compound is 1-phenyl 1-propanone. This is like Stephen reduction here. Okay, Grignard reagent when treated with not Stephen, sorry. It is not Stephen. I will give you 1 second. First step is like this. CH3, CH2, C triple bond N. You are treating with C6H5 MgBr. So this will be with negative sign. So this goes like CH3, CH2, C. This is with the benzene ring and double bond N. Later it will be giving you CH3, CH2, C, double bond O. One phenyl, one propanol. Right? Thank you all. We'll meet with one more exam later soon.